Now let's continue with the test that we have created, which is called 111, and associated the test to the category. Now what is available on the tests, when you click here in the navigation, are the listing of the tests, and for each test you have managed test, assigned test, and view the results. So we can check here, for example, under managed test, all the properties of the test. We can have the test name, we can change the test name, we can associate it to a new category, as you have seen before. So these are the things like the introduction to the test. You can say this is test 111. Good luck. So this would be show up to the client when he starts the test after assigning to the user or to the student or to the client. Then there are some settings about the random questions and the static questions. You can go through this point. You can duplicate the test. You can assign this test again, delete this test if no association to a user or a student has been done. Otherwise, it can be not deleted, which makes sense. And we have then the option of certificates. I will show you in a while. And here again, showing how to create the groups with the details and assigning it to the audience, normally to the students. Let's try to add here first a question now to this test 111. You see on the right hand side you have the different type of questions. Let's start very simply with a multiple choice or multiple response test. Here are some instructions. Here are some symbols that then you can copy if you want to add it to your question or to reply. So this helps to use special characters. So let's say here a question is, what is SharePoint? Just a very simple question. You have the toolbar to edit, and then here would be the reply. So let's say SharePoint is a collaboration solution, and this would be a correct answer. SharePoint is a CRM system. This would be a wrong. SharePoint is an accounting solution. This would be as well wrong. That's why I don't say this is a correct answer, and SharePoint is none of that all, which is also as well wrong. Then we have here the possibility to add more answer options dynamically. We can add here some categories if needed. Select a category for this question. We can work with categories for the questions and the available points if the reply is correct. So let's say we give 10 points for the correct reply here for this question, which is answer A. And we can randomize the answers. We set it off, and we can have even grading styles. This is for multiple response. If you would say that two answers are correct, but you would give only 10 points if both answers are correct. If the answer A is indicated as correct and he has missed the answer B, which would also be correct, so you could work with partial pointing, meaning that you would even give 10 points if A or B is correct, or you would give 0 point if he has missed to give the correct reply for A and B. This is only available in the multiple response. I save the question. Success. Your question have been added to the test and to the question bank. This test, the question now is available as well for other tests. You can just add them from the question bank. You can now add your next question below. And you see test name, number of questions in this test, back to the test, or add here more additional questions.